No way any trending now for the past 2 weeks now. City Boys movement. And most people they happy, most people they unhappy. Majority of people they unhappy because of the condition of the country. But I have my own opinion to say. Don't blame anybody for joining that City Boy movement. Don't blame anybody. I'm telling you the reality. Don't blame anybody. I will explain it to you. Remember, after 2023, most people that voted for it will be mostly the Igbos and the Southerners and some part of Northerners. Mostly the Southerners, they watch out their businesses when they call out Lagos, and then Akwatu now, and then they may be business, and then I took from place to place. So, directly or indirectly, it affected them. And since then, I want to hear what are going with most of them. And this is 2027 election can achieve make it now. What do you expect them to do? Most of them never been and came and already have food. Then you want them to come out again to run and sport people or somebody else, Nabro, Jagaban. That means you don't want them to be eating again. You want them to be suffering. You want them to lose the whole empire they have built for many years. Things that go in vain for many years. Can lose. I don't blame any of them. But and up to now, for one night, okay, I'm not be able now. ADC wants none on there. I'm not running mates, presidential candidate, running mate. Now, offer. And then they see an election. What do you expect people to do? And they watch on the survival of the fittest. If you say you can't support Jagaban, that means you want to lose your empire as a businessman. And most people now, what anybody name business in this country, like head office in Nigeria and Lagos, Abuja. So what do you expect them to do? They will pull your business down. They will crack everything down. They can't do anything. When he gave me, remember after God and government too. One after God or government, so okay, coming. Like somebody like people what do you expect people to do? You want him to lose everything because of politics. You have to bow down. When Jagaban call you, answer. That's sort of thing that wound. So I don't blame anybody. What are you blame for this thing? Because everything has survival of this thing. Open OTP, nobody so now the main thing again, to survive. By right, what's really loyal to Sheyi, and moreover, loyal to Sheyi, more loyal to his father. So that's not loyal to a small boy. What loyal to Sheyi, to his father? But this is politics. Anything can happen. I don't blame anybody. So because forget about anybody joining the City Boys movement. That's Nigeria Joke Hallelujah. Nigeria Sabbath. Yes. Nigeria Joke Hallelujah Sabbath. So because come on here, forget I will lead you. For what way this is going? Almost the whole governors, almost 30 governors have joined APC, if not 31. What do you expect from him? So that is it. Now by go to that, but I don't blame him at all. Because he's trying to protect his business and interest. That is just it. Because someone not protect it, can you protect it for him? Oju no man zam Jagaban. You got only Ogumolu. By that time, more food no matter. So allow everybody to follow their conscience. One call and on. Because even at that, one night, what am I about for now? I'm one of my running mate. I'm one of my presidential candidate. For now, nobody knows. I'm already sure until that time. So because you're never know when we keep me survive. One call and on. That's my own personal opinion. So don't blame anybody for joining the boy movement. Because I will offer you now. I'm alone.